Are your agents struggling to resolve customer queries, frequently needing help from busy team leaders and subject matter experts? Is this causing issues like higher AHT, CSAT, and increased repeats? If so, are you looking for a solution? Here it comes. Empower your agents to clarify queries using Gen AI-enabled chatbot. They can ask questions in English, Hinglish, Roman, or Hindi, without waiting for SMEs or team leaders. This reduces the learning curve for agents, ensures quicker resolutions for customers, and eliminates issues with inaccurate or incomplete information. Train the bot on your specific SOPs. If you want, you can get a free POC on one SOP for 7 days. Talk to us.